Hello, everyone. Today is Wednesday, August 24, 2022. Let's review a couple of trades I made in Crude. So here are the trades. Let me show you right here. We do have an entry right there and a second entry right there. Both of them were for a loss. So the one here in the top is a stop at 94.67. I entered that one at 94. Let me see, 94.79. The second one was entered at 94.69, and I was stopped out at 94.26. Now, I'm going to explain the reason why I took it and actually the mistake I made. I think that I'm done for today, by the way. I'm not going to trade anymore. 2 losses in a row probably is not my day, so I'm going to leave it there for the rest of the day. It's been pretty choppy also on the indexes, especially, well, in NQ and ES. I didn't do any trade, but you will see that that I'm going to show the anchor chart for it, so you can get an idea of how the indexes looks. There's a good entry right here. You see that there's a channel. Sorry to deviate the attention, but there's, I don't know if I'm going to take this one. But you see that there's a channel that it's about to be broken, moving to the upside in this direction up there. So let's see if that one breaks. I don't think I'm gonna take it, but probably it would be a good trade. It's a channel with a trend reversal. You see that all the price is above the moving averages. The moving averages are crossing and stacking to the upside. But Crude has been a little bit tricky today. Anyways, I saw in the anchor chart that I have here in this area right here, that, you know, price on Crude was moving up, breaking that 94.69 level. Now, overnight, the price was up here, and the news that were the inventory of crude came at 10:30 today. So right around this area here. The crude inventories were bullish for crude, but crude came back down, touched the 30, the range of 30, so the 30 minutes range, and then came back up, and I thought that it was going to keep moving to the upside. So I took a trade right here in the higher high you have there. Now it reversed on me, so the first one here, and I didn't take it one tick above. I was putting my stop buy up here, and then I moved it there, and then I was waiting for it, but the price moved a little bit fast in this area and then came back down. So that was kind of break out of resistance trade, and a little bit late today, so it didn't meet the target. which is for me 4 ticks or 5 ticks, or I'm sorry, 5 breaks. Each break is 4 ticks there. So I was looking for $200, reversed on me, and I lost $120 per contract. So $240 in there. Now the second one was taken right there, and this one was a good take, but it was below the area. And you see that went up, came back down, stopped me out, and then continued to the upside. And then maximum loss in here is when I take the trade right 1 tick above the candle. Let me expand it a little bit so you can see it better. So maximum loss, I was saying, is when you take, 1 tick about the previous candle. This candle is green, took it up there, and then it reversed on me, and that was maximum loss right there. So that one was $230 per contract. Obviously, I was wrong both times, and the total loss was $700. I'm not going to trade anymore today, just because of these 2 consecutive losses at the beginning of my trade, and I'm going to leave it there, losing $700. Probably crude is going to explode to the upside, or maybe coming below. I mean, in this range, you never know where it's going to come. The one tip or one indication to where the price can come is when you have this direction, then you have consolidation. It is expected to go down below in this direction now, okay? But since the crude inventories were bullish for crude, I would expect, you can expect also that the price would go to the upside. So we'll see what it's going to do. I'm going to just watch the market and see what happens in the afternoon. I don't think I'm going to trade anymore, and I'm going to leave it like that. You see in the 30 minutes chart down here in the left bottom corner, you see that it made an attempt to do the break right there, and this is exactly where I took the trade, and this gave me indication that the price was going to move up. So I had it marked here at 94.69, just 1 tick above this doji candle on the 30 minutes. But it was rejected at this high right here at that level. And this one is a level of the overnight. You can see that one right there in the entry chart as well. 94.91. It didn't go much more than that. Okay, so that's my loss for today, and those were my trades. Again, I'm not going to do any more trades. Thank you so much for watching.